everybody, welcome to Math Made Easy by Planet Spark and I am back here with the next topic everyone, that is circles. Start करने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही important chapter that is circles. आज डिस्कस करेंगे की प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कॉर्ड्स एंड दी सेंटर, क्या एंगल सबटेंड होगा, क्या प्रॉपर्टीज होंगी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. ओके चलिए जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल टॉक अबाउट एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय कॉर्ड्स एट दी सेंटर. क्या होती हैं प्रॉपर्टीज, कॉर्ड क्या होगी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्विकली रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. दैट इज अ सर्कल, ये है सेंटर. सेंटर से सर्कल की बाउंड्री पे किसी भी पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करेंगे तो व्हाट डू वी गेट, द रेडियस. अब इस बाउंड्री पे किसी भी दो पॉइंट्स को अगर हम ज्वाइन करेंगे तो व्हाट डू वी गेट, अ कॉर्ड. लेट्स से दिस इज अ कॉर्ड ए बी. लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड ऑफ द सर्कल क्या होगी, टेल मी इन द कमेंट्स क्विकली. Okay, then when a chord is drawn, it forms angle at the center of the circle by joining the endpoints of chord to the center. That means इन दो endpoints को अगर हम इस center से join कर दें तो हमें ये angle मिल रहा है. We call it the angle subtended by this chord at the center of the circle. Okay, now the angle formed at the center depends on the length of the chord. How? Simple logic है. कोई भी angle जब form होता है it depends on the measure of the opposite side. Opposite side अगर छोटी है that means angle छोटा है. Opposite side is longer that means the angle is yes larger. Right, same comparison यहाँ है. If longer chords are there then we can say they subtend larger angles at the center while the shorter chords subtend smaller angle at the centers. Okay, if two chords are equal then equality में क्या होगा, कॉर्ड्स अगर इक्वल हैं तो वे इक्वल एंगल सबटेंड करेंगी एट दी सेंटर. ये एक प्रॉपर्टी है जो हम प्रूव करेंगे. ओके, conversely also it's true that if two angles at the center are equal then the chords subtending those angles are also equal. मतलब अगर सेंटर पे एंगल इक्वल है तो कॉर्ड्स की लेंथ इक्वल होगी और अगर लेंथ इक्वल है तो वो जो एंगल सबटेंड कर रही हैं वो होंगे इक्वल. अगेन कैसे प्रूव करेंगे, हमारी फेवरेट चैप्टर से, दैट इज कॉन्ग्रुएंसी ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स. दिख रही है दो ट्राइंगल्स फॉर्म हो रही हैं, वी कैन जस्ट यूज देम एंड वी कैन प्रूव इट. ओके, प्रूव करेंगे क्वेश्चंस में. वेट, परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द सेंटर बाइसेक्ट्स द कॉर्ड. दैट मीन्स एक कॉर्ड है हमारे पास, लेट्स से द कॉर्ड ए बी. अगर हम सेंटर से, लेट्स से ओ इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल, यहाँ से एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करें इस कॉर्ड पे, let's say the foot of the perpendicular is m, then it will bisect the chord. मतलब ये इसका perpendicular bisector होगा. Again very easily we can prove that. इन दोनों को join कर देंगे, right? So these two are the radius of the circle. ये common side है and angle है 90 degree. तो RHS congruent से होंगी ये दो triangles congruent by RHS criteria or RHS rule. I have triangle OMA congruent to triangle OMB. Then by CPCT I can say rest of the corresponding parts are equal. हमें क्या चाहिए, बस M इसका मिड पॉइंट प्रूव हो जाए then we are sorted. So I can say by CPCT AM is equal to MB. That means M is the midpoint of AB. तो क्या हो रहा है, chord हो रही है bisect. Converse भी true है, that is if I give here that in a circle we have this chord, right, जहाँ पे from the center I am joining the midpoint of the chord, then we can say it will be perpendicular to this also. अब क्या given है यहाँ पे, ये दो equal हैं, this is common side and these two are equal. तो again दोनों triangle congruent prove कर देंगे by SSS congruency. Now again the corresponding parts are equal, so ये दो angle equal होंगे, दोनों angle add up हो रहे हैं to 180 because they are forming a linear pair. Straight angle form हो रहा है, right? स्ट्रेट लाइन पे हैं दोनों एंगल, दैट मीन्स ईच ऑफ देम विल बी 90 डिग्री. तो प्रूव हो गया कि ये होगा इस पे परपेंडिकुलर. बोथ द थिंग्स आर ट्रू एवरीबॉडी. ओके, या सेम थिंग वी हैव हियर, लाइन फ्रॉम द सेंटर दैट बाइसेक्ट्स अ कॉर्ड इज परपेंडिकुलर टू इट. सेम चीज, राइट, तो ये होगा इसके परपेंडिकुलर. हर जगह ट्राइंगल्स ही ट्राइंगल्स हम यूज करेंगे, राइट. एक बार ट्राइंगल इंट्रोड्यूस हो गए क्वाड्रिलैटरल्स में, सर्कल्स में, इन मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रूफ्स एवरीबॉडी वी आर गोना यूज दैट. सो डोंट मिस ऑन दैट. By any chance if you have missed doing the congruence of triangles, all the criteria, you can go back to the channel and you can see the playlist there. Okay, chapter मिल जाएगा पूरा, 9th and 10th दोनों में use होगा. Okay, questions देखते हैं. Prove that if chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at their centers, then the chords are equal. Congruent circle मतलब same circle है, same radius, right? तो एक ही circle भी हम ले सकते हैं, that is fine. Okay, so let's say we have a circle here. चलिए In this chords, the centers and the chords are equal. Okay, angles equal given है, chord length हमें equal proof करनी है. Let's say these are the two chords. सारे possible cases हम लेंगे. क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे proof में कुछ students opposite ले लिखते हैं chords so that when we join them एक vertically opposite angle मिल जाता है center में which they can use to prove. But that is not the correct proof everybody, because when we are proving it we have to think of all the possible scenarios. दोनों chords same side of the center हो सकती हैं, opposite side और कहीं पे भी हो सकती हैं, right? So we are taking this case. Let's say AB and CD are two chords. Then what are we going to do? We are going to join it to the center, right? तो क्या है हमारे पास OA, OB, OC and OD are the four radii of this circle. Angle हमें equal given है, so these two angles are equal. तो consider कर लेंगे these two triangles. In triangle OAB and triangle OCD, what all we can write? We know OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD and angle AOB is equal to angle COD. ये है radii of the same circle. हमेशा bracket में reason mention करेंगे and these two are given to us that these are equal. So the triangles are congruent by which rule everybody? दो side और एक included angle. That means by SAS rule the triangles are congruent. Triangle congruent है, then by CPCT we can write the rest of the parts to be equal. क्या चाहिए हमें? chord length चाहिए, so we can write simply AB is equal to CD, and that is what we were supposed to prove, so we can say hence proved there. Okay, चलिए जी, converse भी prove कर सकते हैं very easily, बस congruence का criteria बदलेगा, proof remains the same. Okay, next one, if two intersecting chords of a circle make equal angles with the diameter passing through their point of intersection. तो ये दो chords हैं हमारे पास CD and AB. We have this diameter PQ. Point of intersection से ये same angle बना रही हैं इस diameter के साथ, that means these two angles are equal. Prove that the chords are equal. ये chords भी equal होंगी. This is what we have to prove. तो क्या करेंगे? ये दो triangles हम consider कर लेंगे. Okay. अब यहाँ से हम drop करेंगे perpendicular OL and OM. तो क्या आ गया हमारे पास? 90 degree angle आ गया. 90 degree angle के opposite what do we have? This. राइट, सो एक साइड इक्वल है, दो एंगल्स इक्वल हैं, तो AAS क्राइटेरिया बोलो या ASA क्राइटेरिया बोलो, बाय दिस रूल वी कैन से द ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. ओके, सो आई कैन राइट ट्राइंगल OLE इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल OME. देन बाय CPCT क्या करेंगे? इन परपेंडिकुलर लेंथ्स को इक्वल कर देंगे, दैट इज OL इज इक्वल टू OM, and then we are going to use the property that chords which are equidistant from center are equal. That means their lengths will be equal. ये भी further proof करना है, तो we will prove that in separate question. We can include that proof also here as well. Otherwise we can directly use because that is a property. Chords अगर equidistant हैं, then they will be equal in length. और अगर chords equal in length हैं, then we can say they will be equidistant from the center. तो मतलब जो perpendicular drop करेंगे वहाँ से उसकी length होगी equal. Same proof है, just like we did back there in the triangles कि अगर हम परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करेंगे कॉर्ड पे, देन इट इज़ बाइसेक्टिंग द कॉर्ड. तो ये 90 डिग्री है, ये मिड पॉइंट है, इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को हम प्रूव कर सकते हैं टू बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट, राइट. दूसरी कॉर्ड है हमारे पास, सेम चीज़ वहाँ फॉर्म हो रही है, कॉर्ड्स आर इक्वल, राइट. देन वी कैन से इफ दीज लेंथ्स आर इक्वल, वी कैन से उन पे जो परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप हो रहा है उसकी लेंथ भी क्या होगी? इक्वल, अगेन बाय कॉन्ग्रुएंसी ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स. सो फ्रॉम हियर जस्ट बाय डूइंग दिस वी कैन से द कॉर्ड लेंथ्स विल बी इक्वल. That means AB is equal to CD. Hence proved. चलिए जी, next question. Two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. चलिए, let's see how will it look like. दो circles लेंगे हम which are intersecting. Okay, radius अलग अलग है. One with the radius 5 cm, other one with 3 cm. This is the center, this is the center. Distance between centers is given to be 4 cm. So let's say this is O, this is P. OP is 4 cm. These are the 2 points where the circles are intersecting. Let's say these points are X and Y. If we join this, then what do we have here everybody? दोनों radius है इन circles की, so we can say this is 5 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. 5, 3 and 4 Pythagorean triplet बन रहा है. We know in any triangle if we have square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the largest side is 90 degree, right? Okay then we have to find the length of the common chord. So this is what we are trying to find. अब यहाँ पे this is a chord for both the circles, right? Center से अगर हम perpendicular drop करें then it will be intersecting at the midpoint. तो एक right angle triangle मिल गई है. This is the whole chord. So let's say this we are trying to find, that is x. So दोनों triangles में we can use that. दोनों right angle triangles हैं. So we can find the value here. This distance is 4. And we can take this as y and this is 4 minus y. Equation form हो जाएगी दोनों में and then we can get the value of x, right? Twice of that will give us the length of the whole chord everybody. Procedure आप लोग समझ गए हैं. Just do the calculations and quickly tell me in the comments क्या होगी length of x, y. Same चीज़, right? चलिए then. Next one. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segments of one chord are equal to corresponding segments of the other. Same figure है just like we saw back there in one question back. दो circles, एक circle में जहाँ दो chords थी. So let's say this is the required circle. Intersecting chords हमें given है. This is one chord. Let's say this is the other chord. AB and CD. Let's say we have the center of the circle O here. So point of intersection let's say is P. They are saying segments हमें equal prove करने हैं. That means we have to prove AP is equal to DP, right? Longer part इस chord का will be equal to the longer part of the other chord. And we can say CP is equal to BP. That is what we are trying to prove. क्या करेंगे उसके लिए? Center से perpendicular drop करेंगे on both the chords. And we'll join this O to the point of contact. Again क्या हो गया हमारे पास? ये दो triangles form हो रही है, right? We can prove them to be congruent just like we did back there. Perpendicular drop करेंगे तो midpoint पे meet करेगा. So let's say these points are M and N. So I know here AM is equal to MB and CN is equal to ND. These two triangles are congruent. How? Let's say right angle है हमारे पास. Then we have this common chord, then we have the distances also equal. These perpendicular lengths are equal. How can we say that? We know the chords are equal, right? मतलब they will be equidistant also. Right? Center से उनका distance क्या होगा? Equal. So OM and ON are the perpendicular distances from the center. So they will also be equal. दो sides equal हैं, एक angle equal है, hypotenuse है, एक side है. So we can say by RHS criteria or by RHS rule. Triangle OMP is congruent to triangle ONP. Then by CPCT we can say MP is equal to PN. बस इतना ही प्रूव करना था and we are sorted. अब क्या करेंगे? We know chords are equal तो उनके halves भी equal होंगे, right? So I can say here AM is equal to DN. दोनों में ये add कर दो, add both the equations. AM plus MP, what are we getting? AP. That is equal to PN plus DN. PN plus DN or ND we can say. Then we are getting PD. Segments का एक part equal prove हो गया. So rest will also be equal. पूरी chords equal है, उसमें से ये part subtract कर दो. So the rest part is also equal. Hence proved. Right? Just remember क्या construction हमें करनी है, then it becomes very easy everybody. चलिए then, next question. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the line joining the point of intersection to the center makes equal angle with the chord. Same है last question की तरह. अब यहाँ पे क्या prove करना है? That they make equal angle with the chord. ये दो angle equal prove करने हैं. Can we do that? Obviously, बस इन दो triangles को congruent prove करना है. Then by CPCT we can say these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. That's it. Same proof follow होगा everybody, so just copy it. Next one. If a line intersects two concentric circles with the same center, center है यहाँ पे O, chords हैं हमारे पास BC and AD. AD for the larger circle, BC for the smaller one. Prove that AB is equal to CD. ये दो line segments को हम equal prove करेंगे. कैसे करेंगे? Very easy. यो O से हम perpendicular ड्रॉप कर देंगे इस पे, राइट. लेट्स से द फुट हियर इज M. So perpendicular will be bisecting the chord for both the circles. So I can say AM is equal to MD for the larger circle and BM is equal to MC for the smallest circle, right. प्रूफ भी अगर करना है that also we can do that. रेडियाई ज्वाइन करेंगे, दोनों triangles congruent प्रूफ होंगी, same for the bigger one, right. Then we can prove that if they are like bisecting it, just like we did in the first half, right. दोनों triangles को congruent करके prove कर देंगे. Then we just subtract the equations. Equation 1 minus equation 2. So we have AM minus BM is equal to MD minus CM, right. AM में से अगर हम BM subtract कर देंगे, so we are left with AB. From MD if we subtract CM, then we are left with CD. Hence proved AB is equal to CD. Okay. Next one. Okay, that was all. So let's quickly summarize what we did here. Circles में chords की कुछ properties हमने की. Chord क्या है? Circle का एक line segment joining any two parts on the circle. Equal chords subtend करेंगे equal angle at the center, and the converse is also true. Subtended angle अगर equal है, then we can say the chords are equal. Also, perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. Converse is also true. Midpoint को center से join करेंगे, then we can say that line is perpendicular to the chord. Also, equal chords are equidistant, and if they are equidistant, then we can say the chords are equal. सब कुछ prove करेंगे using triangles. These properties we can use to establish all the relationships here, everybody. So that was all. Thank you very much for joining. Quick reminder for all of you to sign up for your free trial class, everybody. You have the link in the description. Go there, simply fill 2 details. Just your name and your number, and your free class is sorted.